How about that?
Well,
how about that?
If we don't get snow, I want those roads to look pristine this summer.
You got that right.
Not a single pothole in sight, right?
Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. So we had the snow this morning, as you mentioned.
Indeed.
Now we're looking at the cold. That's going to be our next story. And it
really cold, right?
Really cold.
Yeah,
starting on Friday. So 3 things to know. We're going to talk about the snow, specifically 3/10 of an inch in Philadelphia, which of course is not that much. But it is significant because it is our first. So now we have a measurable snow. It's not the latest first occurrence. That stands the 3rd of February back in 1995. Next weather alert for you remains on Saturday and really into Friday evening as well. Dangerously cold temperatures. The good news here, it's a relatively short cold snap. The temperatures are going to be back in the 50s by Tuesday. I'll walk you through it all here in just a second. First, outside tonight, it's a fairly quiet evening. We have just a couple of passing clouds, but generally speaking, it's a clear sky. It's chilly. Everybody's below freezing right now. We're going to remain that way through tomorrow morning, so you'll want to layer up for the kiddos. The bus stop forecast calling for temperatures in the 20s. Your commute tomorrow morning, in fact, I'll pause this here at 7 o'clock. Notice that we don't have anything of significance. Of course, green would be rain, any blue would be snow, and so we're dry tomorrow. In fact, we'll have a fair amount of sunshine like today as we go on into the day. And then we get into tomorrow evening. And it's still dry. Your commute home, no problems. But here's what we're going to be watching. You see the blue up to the north? That is our next cold front that's going to be dropping its way on down. And as it does, it will bring us late tomorrow night, early Friday morning, maybe an isolated snow shower. That's not the weather story. The weather story is going to be the cold and the wind. Friday is going to be a windy day as these northwest winds drive in from Canada, and this will be the coldest that we have had since Christmas. We had an 18-degree high temperature on Christmas Eve, as you might remember. That's the coldest we've been all season long. We're going to rival that on Saturday, and I want to talk about the wind chill factors because the winds are going to start blowing between 20 to 25 miles per hour. So 24 hours from now, tomorrow night, this time tomorrow night, we're looking at temperatures with the wind chill in the 20s and teens. Cold, but not crazy, not all that bad. Watch by Friday morning. Now you're going out and we have a 10 to 15 degree reading or so. Temperatures drop through the day. They don't rise like they would normally do in the afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Wind chills in the single digits and low teens. By the time you go out Friday night at 7 o'clock, we have wind chills that are forecast to be down around 2 in Philadelphia, minus 14 up in Scranton. Then we get late Friday night. I mean, come on, ridiculous. Bangor, Maine at 40 degrees below zero. I mean, really? That's crazy town. 30 degrees below Boston, Hartford sitting at minus 20. And then we're going to get into that 0 or below territory by Saturday morning. And then as the winds calm a little bit on Saturday, our numbers still bitterly cold, but they are going to be down into the teens. So that is what we're looking at. Friday, Saturday, notable days for the cold. Remember your pets, check on your neighbors. The warming centers need to open up, that type of thing. But as I said, guys, back into the 50s by Tuesday. Might as well break out the shorts, relatively speaking. Send it back over to you.
Don's like nodding his head.